Hello guys, Namaskara. I am Kishan Shastri and welcome to my channel. Today I have with me the Ride-On mobile charger for bikes. I usually don't prefer mobile holder on the bikes because we tend to forget it on the bike when traveling around and ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ. So I prefer only the mobile charger and tank bag so that we can keep our cell phone on inside the tank bag. Adrinda, I have bought this Ride-On and this is one of the better mobile charger for bikes in the market, and more specifically this is made in India. I am saying this because of all the air around us nowadays. Now let's see what are the things which are inside this box now. This is mirror mount, this is any surface mount, this is tie mount and a nut which comes together, the adapter and 3 knots or ties which we usually say. Now you can see here we also have 1 year warranty with this and it's IP64 rating, not 68. 64 andre just rain droplets matra it can withstand. So now let's go and mount this on my bike. For that we just need a spanner, a screwdriver and some tape which we require. ನೋಡೋಣ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ. Let's go. This is mirror mount. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ which I will not be able to use. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ RC200 KTM RC200ಗೆ. So this is not useful for the RC200 owners. Next is this is tie mount. The tie mount we can fix it over here. Like this, but the problem is this screw na in tight madidrunu it's not gonna fix properly in RC200 because it doesn't have a round surface. This is all I can tighten, but the thing is, the problem is ee tara move agbidutta. This will definitely move when riding, so I was thinking to use tape over here so that I can tighten it more. The other option is this is the surface mount over here, and I can also plug in this adapter over here. Adrinda, this is the best option for KTM RC200. You can see this doesn't hit the clutch lever as well. No problem agalla. Adrinda we can mount it over here. If I opt to mount it over here, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಯಪ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. You can use that screws here. They have given the option. This is the adapter which I will be mounting it over there. The mount has a clip over here. This clip will go and attach to these holes over here. So this will be sturdy enough to hold your charging wire and all. Yep, you can hear double click. That tells you that it has been mounted properly. It's not gonna fall off like that. This also comes with the USB cap. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ. And just plug it in. ಆಯ್ತು. That's it guys. It's so easy. You can come here and see this. It has an auto on and off switch. You can see there. Red light. It has the LED. And if I just pull this USB port, it's gonna turn off. You see, it's not there now. So automatically it turns off. Also, when I pull this USB port off, it automatically turned off the LED. That indicates that it also has the auto on and off feature in this. So this is one of the better mobile charger for bikes in the market. If you have found this video informative, please do hit the red subscribe button and also like, share and comment to my videos. It will help me to make more videos and it will give me immense confidence to make more videos as well. It's completely free guys. You can hit that red subscribe button on. Please do that. See you on the next video. Bye.